Everyone, in this video I am going to start your exercise 5D and we have to complete also 5E. So just see here, look at your exercise 5D. What is the first question? Compare by using less than, greater than or equal to. Okay. Second question, arrange the following ascending order and arrange the following descending order. Okay. Now before starting this exercise I want to remind you about the equivalent fraction. What are the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction are those which have the same number of decimal places, like that which have like that one. So equivalent are like that one, 3.0, or you can write 3.00, or you can write there 3.000. It means you can increase many zeros, they are same. And what are the like fraction? Like fraction are those which has what? Same decimal places, like that one, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, all have the same decimal place. Okay, now just write here 2.25, 3.40, 2.89. They have two decimal place, so they are known as like fraction. Okay, so for solving this question we have to convert it into a like fraction by converting or by adding zeros. Okay, so just see here, first question is 96.3 and 97.92. now just see here, after decimal they have only one place, they have two place, so they are not equivalent. Sorry, they are not like fraction. First come to like, just increase 10 from your side, they have two decimal place, because while increasing zero, they are the useless. Zeros are useless, they did not affect the main number. So you can write 96.3 as 9.60. Now it is also as 97.92. Now after decimal they have two places. Now just two comparison, it is 96, it is 97. Obviously 96 is less than 97, so you have to write here less than. Now come on this, they have three decimal place, so it is a like fraction. Simply compare 184 both are same. Now just check point 320 and 310. So 320 is greater than, so right here greater than. Now just here 68.1 and 68.100. So you are unable to compare. First convert it into a like fraction. So they have, after decimal, three places, they have only one places. So write 1, increase 20 from your side, and it is right same as it is. Now they have three decimal place, all are, both are same, so you have to write here is equal to. Now for they have three decimal place, they have two, so increase 0, it becomes three decimal place. Now just do the comparison, 408, 4087, they are same. Now 007 or 070 is more, so it is less, so you have to write here less than. Now just see here, they both same, 320, 302, 320 is greater, so write here greater than sign here. Now 77577 both are same, 3 is 6, 391, sorry 891, 819, so it is greater than. Now just check, the front are same. Now 752, 759, so it is less than. 752 is less than 759. Now just 62 same. Now 303 and only 33, so 303 is greater than, so you have to put here greater than. Similarly this two part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on, arrange the following ascending order. So for after first solving this, we have to convert it into a like fraction and then arrange, and then you have to write according to the given question. Now just check, after they have two decimal place, one decimal place, two decimal place, three decimal place. So maximum decimal place is 3. So you have to make all the number with 3 decimal place. So there are two number after, so increase 10, one number increase 20, two number increase 10, three number remains same. So all you have to make a like fraction by increasing 0. Now all are have the same decimal place. Now just do comparison. It is 94, it is 97, 98, 95. So 94 is less, so put 94 number here. After that become 95, so 95 here, then 97 and then 98. Okay, now writing the number, you have to make here like fraction na? Now again make them the original number. So 9.430 make with the help of what number? This, so you have to put right this number here. 95 are made from this original number, so you have to put this original number here. 9740 made from this 97.4, so put here, and 98.090 made with the help of this number, so put here. It means that first you convert the given question into a like fraction, and then do comparison, and then again the answer in the original number. With the help of this number you have to convert this one. Now try to understand second one. Just see, after decimal they have 1 place, 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place. So maximum decimal place is what? 3. So you have to make all 3 decimal places by increasing 0. So they have already 1 decimal place, so increase 2 0, 2 decimal place increase 1 0, 2 decimal place increase 1 0, 3 decimal place remains same. Now just do the comparison: 187, 185, 187, 187. So small one is 185, put 185 here. Now 187, 187 all are same. Now just do the comparison after decimal. After decimal they have 300, 30 and 935. So 31 is small, so put 30 number here. Then 300 is 935. Now just write the original number. 920 made with the help of this number, so write this number here. 187 030 with the help this number, write this number here. This number made from this number, so write here. This one made from this one, write here. It means that after arranging you have to convert the question in your original number. Now C part, it is 35.4, 35.04, 35.78, 35.0629. So they have 3 decimal place maximum, so increase 1 0, 1 0 and 2 0. Now they all are like. Now just do comparison: 35, 35, 30, all are 35. Now do the comparison after decimal. They have 400, they have 40, 780 and 629. The 40 is less, right here. After 40 become 400, then 629 and 780. Now after writing the original number, this made from this number, 400 made from what? Sorry, 40 made from what? This number right here. 400 made with the help of this number, this made from this, and this made from this. So your answer is this one only. Similarly, D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Arrange the following number in descending order. Okay, the question is same, but you have to write first descending order. It is also same, first convert into a like fraction and then descending order convert into a original number. Now just see, they have 2 decimal place, 3, maximum is 3, so all make 3, increasing 1 0, right same, right increasing 2 0. Now do comparison: 49, 41, 48, 42. Which one is greater? Ascending, it is descending na. So first write greater to smaller. So first write 49 and then 48, then 42 and then 41. Now just write original number. 49 made with the help of this, write this number. 48, this, write this number. 42, this, write this number. And 47 made with the help of this, so write this number. So it is your required answer. Now just come on here, D part. After decimal they have maximum 3 decimal places, so all make first 3, write 2 0, same, same and same. Now just do comparison: 159, 158, 150, 159. Now you have to first come 159. Now do the comparison: 159, 400 is greater, 004. Just write 400 first, then write 004. Now in this it become they are same. Now 203 and then only 32. Now just do write the original one. How you write? Like that one. 19.59.40 come with the help of this number. Second one this, third one this, fourth one this. So it is your required answer. Now one more you have to say. All have 2 decimal place. Okay, no need to increase zeros. Now just do comparison: 97, 97, 97, 90. All have the 97. Okay, now do the comparison after decimal. It is 36, 63, 03, 06. So 63 is greater than 36. After 63, 36, then 6, then 3. So it is a required answer. Similarly, D part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now come on the next exercise. Next exercise 5e. In this you have to add the following and subtract the following. So this question is also done with the help of like fraction only. Okay. Now just come on exercise 5e. Add the following number. They have after 2 decimal place. They have after 3 decimal place. So first make them like fraction. So you have to increase 1 0 and write same. All become 3 decimal places. Now just add simply: 0 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 7, 10, 0, carry 1, then 9, 4, 13 and 1, 14, 4, carry 1, 9, 7, 16 and 1, 17. So your answer is 174.063. Now come on this 18.1 and 18.431, they have 3 decimal place, they have 1 decimal place, so increase 2 0 to make 3 decimal place. Increase here. Now simply add 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 3, 3, 4 plus 1, 5, decimal as it is. Now 6 plus 1, 7, 9 plus 8, 17. So your answer is 177.531. Now come on C part. They have 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place, so increase 1 0 become 3 decimal place. Now just do addition: 2 plus 0, 2, 4 plus 8, 12, 2, carry 1, 8 or 2, 10 and 1, 11, carry 1, 5, 3, 8 or 1, 9, and 5 over 2 7. So your answer is become 79.122. So you have to simply add, nothing else. Now come on D part. D part, they have 3 decimal place, they have 2 decimal place, so increase 1 0, so they become like fraction, like decimal. Now just add 3 0 plus 3 2 1 3 6 as it is, 6 plus 0 6, 7 3 10 0 carry 1, and it is 1 1 2 and 1 3. So answer is 30.633. Now the number come with the help of 3 number. Now they have 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 3 decimal place. So all of you make a like fraction, so increase 2 0 here and 1 0 here. Just write 2 0 here, 1 0 here. Now as it is, now simply add, it becomes 7 3 or 2 5 4 1 5 1 6. Now decimal same. Now 4 or 2 6 and 3 9, 2 or 6 8 and 9 17. So your answer is 179.657. Now come on F part. Just 2 decimal place, 1 decimal place, 3 decimal place, so increase 1 0 here and 2 0 here, so they are become like decimal. Now just add 6 plus 0 plus 0 6, 3 1 4, 6 or 3 9 1 10 0 carry 1, 9 and 1 carry 10, and 6 16 and 2 18 8 carry 1, and 1 1 1 3 and then 1 4. So your answer is what? 48.064. Similarly, this two part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now subtract 1. Subtract the following. First write this number and second write this number. They have 2 decimal, they have 3 decimal, so increase 0 to make it a like decimal. Now just do 0 minus 7 not possible, take 1 carry, it become what? 10. 10 minus 7 3, it become 1. 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 9 not possible, take 1 carry, it become 13. 13 minus 9 become 4, it become what? 3. Then 3 minus 6 not possible, take 1 carry, become 13. 13 minus 6 become 7. What is remain here? 7. Then 7 minus 3 you get 4. So your answer is 47.403. Simply addition is there, nothing else. Now come on B part. Now it have 2 decimal and 2 decimal. They are same, just write same as it is. Then 1 minus 3 not possible, take 1 can become 11. 11 minus 3 what? 8. It become 8. 8 minus 1 7. 4 minus 3 1. 9 minus 2 7. So your answer is 71.78. Similarly, this two part you have to do by yourself in homework, C and D part. Now come on E part. 185.3 and 200.42. So it is unlike, sub just make increase 0 and they make it a like fraction first. They have 2 decimal place, they have 1 decimal place, so increase 0. Now become 2 decimal place. Now always remember, from part you have always put first. All of you know that from part you always put first. So you have to write here 242 and 153.30. Now just subtract 2 minus 0 0, 4 minus 3 1, 10 minus 5 5, it become 9, 9 minus 8 1, and 1 minus 1 0, so we can write 0. So your answer is 15.12. Now again 196.3, if they have 2 decimal place, they have 1 decimal place, so increase 0, so to make a 2 decimal place. Now from part put first and this part here. Now just see 0 minus 3 not possible, take 1 can become 10, 10 minus 3 become 7, here become 8, 8 minus 1 become 7, decimal as it is. 3 minus 6 not possible, take 1 carry, become 13, 13 minus 3 become 7, become 5. 5 minus 9 not possible, take 1 carry, become 15, 15 minus 9 become 6. What is it? 4, 4 minus 3 you get 1. So your answer is 167.77. Similarly, these two part you have to do by yourself in homework. Now before coming on the third part, just look at the question first. In your tape question book, Anu went to a market. There is a one girl named Anu. She went to a market. She bought few things. Some items she have bring. The shopkeeper gave her the bill. Look at the bill and answer the following. Now she went to the market and buy something. Pencil. She have to buy at the rupees of 18.65 pen. 18.65 pencil. 13.25 chips. 22.60 fruity. 15.5 Maggie. 12.05. There is a one girl named Anu. She went to the market and buy some item, and she get the bill like that one. Pen, she have to write rupees 18.65. Pencil, 13.25. Chips, 22.60. Fruity, 15.5. Maggie, 12.05. Now question is that find the total amount of Anu has to pay. How much total money Anu has to pay? For the total we have to find the sum now. Then simply add this all number, you will get your answer. Okay. Now just see. Total amount paid by Anu, what you do, simply add this all the number you have to add. What will you get? Just see here, 5 and 5 10 and 5 15, 5 carry 1. Now 6 and 1 carry 7 and 2 9, 6 15 and 5 20, 0 carry 2. Now 8 to 10, 3 13 and 2 15, 5 20 and 2 22 go to carry 2. Now just add 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer become 82.05. The total amount paid by Anu is rupees 82.05. Second part say if she gave rupees 100 note to the shopkeeper, how much will he give? Now she bought she shopping for rupees 82.05. Now she gave rupees 100 rupees note. How much money she will get back? So what you do? Just subtract this total from the 100 rupees. If you suppose you went to the market, you gave the shopkeeper 100 rupees note and you will get this much item or this rupees item, then how much money you will get? He or she will subtract this money from the total one. So amount given back is equal to 100 minus 82.005, but 80.025 they have two decimal place, 100 have no decimal place, so in write decimal and increase 20 to make it the like decimal. What I am told, 100 is a single number and you have to subtract 82.05. They have two decimal, after decimal they have nothing place, so write decimal and write two decimal places from your side so that they become a like decimal. Now just subtract 0 minus 5 not possible, take 1 carry become 10, 10 minus 5 become 5, here 9 minus 0 become 9, 9 minus 2 become 7, here become 9, 9 minus 8 become 1. So it is 17.95. It means that this much money you will get back from the shopkeeper when you will give her a 100 rupees note. Now C part is that there is a one pen and then pencil and then a fruity. Then what is the total money? What is the cost of pen? Just see here. Pen is 18.65, pencil is 13.25 and fruit is 15.5. So write the all cost here. Also like that one, pen cost is 18.65, pencil is 13.25 and fruit is 15.5. Now just see it is plus and it is minus. Now just do plus and minus. According to the board mass, you have to do first addition. Then when you add 18.65 and 13.25, then what will you get when you add? When you add, you will get 31.90. What will 31.90? Now minus 15.5. So they have two decimal place in write 10. Now they also become two decimal place. Now just subtract what? 31.90 and 15.5. So increase 10 to make it a balance. Now just subtract 0 as it is. 9 minus 5 4. Then what will be left here? 5 and 6 11 become 2, 2 minus 1 1. So you will get 16.40. What you will get? 16.40. So 0 is useless, you may be right or not right, but if you want you can write by making a balance like that one. Make balance as a like decimal and then solve. So finally we have completed our exercise 5e also. If you have any doubt in this exercise, you can ask me now. Here simply you do nothing, just write the value from that bill and now simply calculate, just add, you will get this, and from the answer you will subtract this, you will get this. If you want to write in a answer in your like decimal, then you can increase 0 also. So we have completed these two exercises today. If you have any doubt to me, you can ask me now. Thank you.